Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we've got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and update your Facebook app on Android. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, simply access the particular Play Store in your mobile phone and tap on the search icon and type in Facebook. Go ahead, search it up. Once we have done so, you're going to tap on your Facebook, and here in this uninstall and the option you'll find, and here in this open option you will find update option instead. Once you tap on it, it will simply start this reinstall kind of circle. Once it's done, you will again find this open option instead of the update. Tap on it and you got yourself an updated Facebook app, and just like that. So that is basically the way you can do it. Again, tap on update as I showed and you will be done. So this is it, guys. If you got more questions or queries, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I will be seeing you guys on our next video. Thank you.